Hi guys, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. And yes guys, we're gonna make some mini cheesecake. All right, and we're gonna jump straight into the video. Please leave a like. So to start off, I'm gonna add some graham crumbs. So any graham crackers, you just want to mince it out, but I bought this ready-made one. All right, and I'm gonna add 1 cup. I'm gonna go in with about 1/3 of sugar, brown sugar, okay guys, and then 3 tablespoons of melted butter, and you just want to mix this all together, okay guys. Just gonna go in with 1 more tablespoon of melted butter, so 4 tablespoons or 1/4 cup, because you want it to be all gooey. All right, and you just want to mix this right out, okay guys. But this should give you about 12. All right, you want to go in and you just want to sprinkle some in the bottom. I'm going to use the same spoon that I used to measure the oil, and I'm going to press them down. Now I'm going to go in with a regular spoon so I can get the edges, all right? So you want to do it like that. Whatever you want to use, just make sure they're pressed firmly in the bottom. And I'm going to put 1 pack of this cream cheese. It's light, less fat, and it's at room temperature. You just want to whip it so it combines a little bit and it gets soft. Alright guys, when you have it like that, I'm gonna add my sugar in 2 portions. But you know guys, you know, so me have to take out the whites. Sorry, that's me. I should have taken it out before I put it in, but anyhow. And I'm just gonna beat them. I'm gonna beat them one at a time. All right, that's good guys. Now I'm gonna go in with about 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, and I'm gonna squeeze about 1 teaspoon of lime juice. You can add lemon juice. I'm gonna go in with about 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, and I'm gonna give that a little mix again. And you don't want to over mix that. All right, put about 1/2 cup of sour cream, and you can just mix it in. But I don't have any sour cream, but look what I have some Greek plain yogurt. You can add about 1/2 cup of this, but I don't have enough. But I have about 1/4 cup. That's what I have left over, and I'm just gonna fold that in. I'm just gonna use this ice cream scoop, and I'm gonna scoop it in. You can use whatever you want. All right, After you shake this, guys, and it's all good, you want to pop them in a preheated oven at 325, and I'm gonna bake these for about 20 minutes or so, and then I'll come back. All right, so about 20 to 25 minutes I left them in there, guys, and I'm gonna let them completely. So I'm gonna decorate these for you. All right, and to start off, I have some Oreos, and I have some Jello, I have some strawberries, and I have some coconut, and I have one lime slice. First, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the shredded coconut on top. I have one cherry, and I'm gonna set it like in front of it, and then I'm gonna go in with my lime slice, and I'm gonna try to form a little design, something like so, guys. The next one, I'm gonna go in with just a strawberry, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Jello, and I'm gonna put it on top. And for this one, I'm gonna add some Oreos. And then I'm gonna go in with a mini Oreo cookie, and I'm just gonna set it on top. This is the final result, guys. You can put whatever topping you want on your mini cheesecake. Oh, I'm super excited. These are so soft and moist. You know I have to cut one and let you see, right? But this is it, guys. Oh, this is delicious. The coconut with the lemon or lime, oh, gonna give a sweet and tangy taste. Wow, there you have it. Cookies and cream, Oreo cookies there, guys. Yes, 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 yes. And my Jello. Let's cut this bad boy, okay? Look how creamy. Cut another piece. Can you see the goodness, guys? So soft and moist. And you know I have to taste it for you, right, guys? My goodness. This is the final result. Love upon me, and I love upon you. So good. Bye, guys.